Hello students, we are going to talk about Prime Minister Kisan Yojana. Sir, what is this program? When it was started, why it is important for us? Sir, remember this program started way back in 2019, but we are moving into 2025. Sir, is it important for us? Bilkul important. Why it is important means this is ongoing program and this program is related to the farmers, small and marginal farmers. India, we know, even till today, 63% of Indian population is depending upon agriculture, and agriculture is most vulnerable sector in India because of various reasons. One of the most important problem in agriculture is lack of financial support to the small and marginal farmers. For example, many of our fathers, families might be from agricultural background. Our land is very small and marginal. When land is small and marginal, that farmers have a problem called initial capital issues. Means if they wanted to begin any type of a crop, what they required is initial input is important. Even in my family and your families, you might experience this. See, we wanted to start in agriculture, any crop. For that, we need some money to begin or to sow the seeds and all kind of things. For them, people are going for money lenders, but money lenders are known for exploitation. They'll give less money but charge higher interest rate. Because of these problems, farmers are always entering into debt trap. Debt trap means ikkada appula ubi. Appu తీసుకుంటారు కట్టలేరు. చివరికి they are committing suicides. That is why the central government of India have launched a program called Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi. In short, we call it as PM Kisan. Kisan means Raitu farmer. Samman Nidhi means to help the small and marginal farmers for the initial inputs. Generally, we know in India we have seasons like Kharif season, Zaid season and Rabi season. According to season, we are going to cultivate the crop. For every crop, what is required? Initial input is required. That help is going to be done by the government of India under the program called Prime Minister Kisan. This program was launched in the year of 2019. Still, it is ongoing program. That is why it is important. That too related to farmers, related to agriculture, highly important for all of our examinations. This program is like central sector scheme. When it says central sector means 100% funding is done by government of India. It is not funded by center and state. It is funded only by center. I'll tell you, listen carefully. Some programs are 100% funded by center. We call them as central sector schemes. Some programs 60% funded by center, 40% by the state. It is like center state together doing it. Some programs like 90% center, 10% funding given by states. But this Prime Minister Kisan is 100% funded by central government, not related to the state. Under the ministry called Ministry of Agriculture and the Farmers Welfare. For every program, knowing ministry is a fundamental thing for bureaucrat. If you wanted to become a bureaucrat, you should know for every program, it comes under which ministry, whether it is a central program or state program or together program. So it is 100% funded by center under a ministry called Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Farmers are suffering due to lack of money. They're depending upon money lenders. Now government wanted to help the farmers for the initial capital of agriculture. Look, under this program, the central government will transfer cash payment of 6,000 for every farmer. For small and marginal farmer, central government transferring 6,000 rupees directly to their bank account, which we call it as DBT, which means direct benefit transfer. Amount would be transferred directly to the farmer's account. How much? 6,000. But 6,000 not at a time. I'll tell you, 6,000 in 3 installments. Let us say 3 installments means 2K, 2,000 and 2,000 in the 3 installments, which means once in every 4 months, central government depositing 2,000. Yearly they're giving you 6,000 rupees to the small and marginal farmers to help the small and marginal farmers. Why? These people are in the hands of money lenders. Money lenders giving less money, charging high interest. Farmers are entering into debt trap. Finally, they are committing into suicide. Many government says that దేశానికి రైతు వెన్నెముక అంటుంటాం, but we see most of the time that రైతు is committing suicides because of financial burden was due to the money lenders and many more reasons. Now government wanted to help them, so this program is important. Under this program, the government also giving you KCC. What do you mean by KCC, Amma? Kisan Credit Card. Every farmer, every eligible farmer will get, small and marginal farmer will get Kisan Credit. Credit means what? Appu. Under this, you can directly purchase the seeds, fertilizers and many more, but that is subjected to 4%. Maximum 4% interest rate on Kisan Credit Card. Credit means Appu, which is very less, right? But the 6,000 government giving you annually is out and out free. But Kisan Credit Card will charge 4% interest rate. This is about this particular program. Based on this particular central program, many states have launched their own state programs, because in India we have central government and state government. Center program is like Prime Minister Kisan Yojana. In collaboration with state governments also launched many programs. They also transferring money to the small and marginal farmers. Central government also giving 6,000 per yearly to the small and marginal farmers. Central program means PM Kisan. What are some state programs like this? For example, Kalia. It is something like Telangana, we have Raitu Bandhu, right? In Varisa they launched Kalia. Alage in case of Madhya Pradesh, they have this particular Bhavantara Bhugotan Yojana. In case of Telangana, we have Raitu Bandhu scheme. Like many states have launched these type of programs along with center to help the small and marginal farmers. But my point, sir, దీంట్లో land limit ఏమన్నా ఉందా? No land limit. In this program, they clearly mention small and marginal farmers, but not landlords. But this program also given some exclusions. Farmers who are excluded from the PM Kisan. అంటే PM Kisan యోజన కింద ఎవరెవరికి డబ్బులు వస్తాయి? స్మాల్ అండ్ మార్జినల్ ఫార్మర్స్. ఎవరికి రావు? హూ ఆర్ ఎక్స్క్లూడెడ్ అండర్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. అంటే జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి, ఎవరికైతే పెన్షన్ మంత్లీ 10,000 కంటే ఎక్కువ వస్తుందో, ఆల్ సర్వింగ్ అండ్ రిటైర్డ్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఎంప్లాయీస్, అలాగే ప్రొఫెషనల్స్ లైక్ డాక్టర్స్, ఇంజనీర్స్, పర్సన్స్ హూ పెయిడ్ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్, వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కింద బెనిఫిట్స్ రావండి. అలాగే ఆల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషనల్ ల్యాండ్ హోల్డర్స్, అంటే యు ఆర్ హోల్డింగ్ ఎ ల్యాండ్ ఇన్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ కంపెనీ, అది కమర్షియల్ అవుతుంది, అప్పుడు వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఈ ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ కిసాన్ యోజన కింద 6,000 అనేవి రావు. అలాగే ఫార్మర్ అండ్ ప్రెసెంట్ కాన్స్టిట్యూషనల్ పొజిషన్ హోల్డర్స్ లైక్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ కానివ్వండి, ఐపీఎస్ కానివ్వండి, ఐఏఎస్ కానివ్వండి, వీళ్ళెవరికి కూడా ఈ అమౌంట్ అనేవి రావు. అలాగే మేయర్స్ కానివ్వండి, మున్సిపల్ కార్పొరేషన్ చైర్మన్ కానివ్వండి, అలాగే మినిస్టర్స్ కానివ్వండి, సెంట్రల్ ఆర్ స్టేట్ లెవెల్లో, వీళ్ళందరికీ ల్యాండ్స్ ఉన్నా సరే వీళ్ళకి ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ కిసాన్ యోజన కింద ఈ 6,000 రూపీస్ అనేవి రావు. దే వర్ ఆల్ ఎక్స్క్లూడెడ్. హూ ఆర్ ఇంక్లూడెడ్? స్మాల్ అండ్ మార్జినల్ ఫార్మర్స్. దిస్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ కిసాన్ యోజన. ఇది 2019 లో స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పటికీ ఇప్పటికీ ఆన్ గోయింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కాబట్టి ప్రతి ఎగ్జామ్ కి ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్. యూపీఎస్సీకి, గ్రూప్ 1 అండ్ అదర్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కూడా చాలాసార్లు అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్. బీ కేర్ఫుల్ విత్ ఇట్, వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.